from Kolkata. So I often come here for my checkup and in health. And self-love is a very tricky topic for me, because I actually made a YouTube video also discussing my vulnerabilities about self-love, because quite young I have not been able to love myself, and I'm accepting it, not to just to say that you should not love yourself, but जब आप खुद से प्यार करोगे ना, तब आपको सच भी चाहिए जानना कि इस वजह से प्यार नहीं हो पा रहा. But this year, many things happened, trauma and all that, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the part that I joined a shelter home and I teach kids for free there. And I think just teaching them and just being with them made me feel so me, and I cannot know a better life without them in my life. Like I want to do, I want to earn more. I don't know, my parents say this thing that why are you doing this? You're not earning money, but the kind of love, the kind of support I have earned from that place, I take it every day as a fortune privilege that I got a chance to teach at that place. And now when I'm here, I have written a poem today in the morning itself, and I'm writing my own book. And I also have an Instagram account, which I will tell in the end. But I will try to tell you, please listen to the poem. And I also want to see this thing, which I want to point out that fall in love with someone who make you fall in love with yourself. Like if you love someone, you will always feel love within you. It should come within you, not because there's nobody else to love you. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप खुद को प्यार कर रहे हो, उसका मतलब कोई है जो चाहता है कि आप खुद से ज़्यादा प्यार करें. So I will read the poem. Dear me, while traveling by train to Bangalore yesterday, you cried consistently by silencing your painful voice. And then you can see how your mask stood up to cover you up with a scarf. Because if you get cough and cold, you're prone to suffer. And I know you are really tired because after multiple attempts to not feel like there is injury inside you, you are yet not coming to terms how all of it scarred you so deep that even now when you look at your body, you feel like you look ugly. Because your fat size makes you so. When your surroundings ask you to eat less, but you eat more than required and regret eating simply because you're scared someone will make fun of you with abusers. Because you can't feel safe when you remember your predators, because you know that it's horrible of how you are mistreated by them, who called you someone special yet made you feel unwanted. Tanu, my name is Tanushree, so I'll call you Tanu. Tanu, everyone has said this before that you have to let go. But let me tell you, humans leave. Humans leave the way they make you feel, or the way they make us feel don't. This is why allow yourself to write poetry for the one who showed you to love yourself. Even after you know that you really have another chance to call him, because you might be unavailable now. But please allow yourself to love and not feel guilty for not having your grandmother right now, because her presence is inside of you, making you vulnerable about yourself, and never get ashamed to accept how it's tough sometimes to wake up and provide warmth to yourself. But I want to tell you this. You are precious enough to get heard, read, valued, supported, loved. Thus, when you get back to Kolkata, promise yourself you will appreciate the comfortable coziness of December and make your birthday special. Promise yourself that you will work hard on your content creation and earn money, which would let you donate to kids of the shelter home where you have volunteered and found a reason in Calcutta, where you have to live for yourself and bring sunflowers as a teacher in future so that thorns that trauma keeps presenting you will be healed. Promise yourself that you will fall in love. Promise yourself that you will fall in love, and this time if you are not accepted by a prince because he doesn't find you charming because of your looks or mental issues, you have to be there for yourself where you will draw paper roses and make a handmade art journal to appreciate your individual self who is innocent, irrespective of facing the harshness of the whole world's view. Promise yourself that you will complete your book you are writing and let yourself be brave enough to have your own voice holds magic simply. Promise yourself that you are going to choose self-talk and tell yourself that even after all the gloom, you're going to be a sunshine when you look in the mirror and start accepting how you are rather than finding approval from them whose role in your life is temporary. Promise yourself that you are your permanency, so you have to bloom roses when you talk through your vulnerabilities, appreciating life as a present right now. The last, I will actually tell this one, and I told you the self love. I think more than a necessity, self love is a choice. Like, at certain point of time, you feel like this is so hard. I want to give up. I want to give up. There's so many times we feel like this. But then we choose to live. Why? Because we choose to love the us who is beautiful. So this man taught me about self-love and I feel like talking about him is so much. I've written poetry. You can find it on my YouTube or anywhere I have given. It's just two lines I wrote and told him and I find in that two lines my self-love. I will narrate that two lines that सपना हो तो सपना हो तो टूट जाया करो खास खुद के लिए जाग जाया करो which means that he's so beautiful I felt all my life that I need it but in my real life I do not think I will ever meet him or ever have a chance to see things that I'm seeing right now I don't think he will meet me बट उसने मुझे इतना खुद से प्यार करना सिखा दिया है कि मैं अपनी किताब लिख रही हूँ बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ शायद फ्यूचर में किसी लड़के के साथ कुछ शादी हो जाए या जो भी हो जाए but I appreciate that man's presence in my life and that is why I see that don't be bad to someone intentionally don't make someone feel poor about their looks or how they are as a being every one of us is imperfect but we must appreciate our flaws to glow brighter. And we will grow up. I actually do content creation in YouTube and Instagram also. There are lots of poems in Hindi, or I make videos and all something. That is Bliss in Bliss, BLISSINMESS. You can follow me. I will be there and you can talk to me. On I think I post a lot and I am eager to start life in a new manner in 2025. And coming here, narrating my journey, just seeing all of you is so beautiful because it's such a great dream to share my life with you.